What's poppin' guys? It's yo boy Da5Wolf. Back with another tutorial. And today's tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to make puppet combo dubstep style by using puppet combo sound effects only. Before I start, beware if you guys are using headphones, because these noises that you guys are about to hear are going to be very extremely loud. Anyways, let's get started, shall we? First, set the tempo to 140. Next, make your drum beats.
Nice.
Next, add a loud noise. Like I said before, these noises are going to be loud, so make sure to turn down your volume just a little bit.
Damn, son!
Next, make the sound effect noise into something like this.
Yeah, boy.
Next, add a chant vocal. Last but not least, add a crash. Alright, let's give it a preview. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on that bell notification so you'll never miss an upload. As always, I'll see you guys in the next one.